how long was the car sitting? When I was like, oh, we're going to put the fuel pump in. And then...
Oh, like 3-4 days? 3 days?
Dude. Yeah, I locked the keys in my car, man. It took us about 3-4 hours to get the keys out. And let me show you the damage is done. Straight up. Yeah, we took a hammer. We're trying to pry open this. Dude, when this car is shut, you cannot get into anything. There's nothing you can do without damaging the car. Unfortunately. But we got it done. New stuff though, so we're actually my dad's not here this time, but we're going to put the fuel pump in here. And Trey is working on the Z, 350Z to be exact, because we have 2 of them. Brom seats. Freaking Brom seats, man. Look at these. Beautiful. They were going to go into the Red Mustang, correct, but as you guys know, they sold that, got a very nice Mustang, and things happened. But besides that, we're here. More cars, working on these things. Again, beautiful Brom seats with the nice... Hey, do you know the specific... What is it called? I forgot the name, but it's like those pajama pants that you've been wearing.
Special.
So it's a special like ordeal. But they waited a long time for these, and they have not installed them into anything. They've been in a box. So he's gonna put them in. So right now he's test fitting the brackets to see if everything fits. Let's see if we can get a picture. Looks a little dirty in there, but he's test fitting. Taking the hardware out, getting it done there. Gonna see if they fit. He's gonna keep them in. He also has a single exit exhaust for this thing. Remember, we did explain that it was really loud. He was yelling into the microphone in our previous video.
I need you guys to cash out me about $300 so I can get an eBay single exit exhaust.
And look what happened. Got a freaking exhaust.
And one special.
Yeah, eBay special.
Yeah.
Hey, but it works though. Compared to how loud it is without an exhaust, it's gonna really do some good looks to that. But
that silencer cap in there, bro?
The silencer cap I don't know. It has a silencer cap, but it doesn't sound that appealing compared to when it's out. So yeah, we're gonna see what this does. We're gonna get this done and get this done before the sun decides to get us done. If that makes sense. And let's do it, guys. So you're just putting the tracks on, right? Yeah. I can take this out, but you want to tell us what came through the mail today?
These nuts.
Nah. Let's get crack-a-lacking. I recommend you guys always clean your cars. So just in case you pull out the camera, don't look like this. But my car's been sitting for 4 days, so whatever. Bro. On the Cheez-Its. All right, so this is not a tutorial. There's two little tabs over here. They're hooked like you can put your fingers under it. Pull towards you, seat will pop open. Let's see. Let's go wide. Go here, pull towards you. Ouch. Of course, this is the pain in the butt one. Bro, it works. I gotta get the shot. Don't fall. Don't fall. Bro, are you serious? It's out. It's out. Oh. Like $40.
That's it?
Yeah. Fuel pump located. Okay, bye. Bro, I'm filming right now. You're ugly. Midnight militia. Bro, that's mine. I'm black. That's Sir Ernesto here. Trey's papa. Yo, here's another crew member of ours, you know what I'm saying? Well, he's more like a head. But everybody's car's dirty right now. We all working. Midnight Militia, shout out. Introductions, all them things.
Like that.
All right, so we're gonna take out, just like the walnut blasting, we're gonna take out this 15 volt thingy here. It deals with fuel. It's gonna empty out the lines once you start it. And turn everything off. So we're gonna run it until it completely shuts down. That means it's all out of the lines, and then we can get to the fuel pump.
Hey.
All right, it sounds really bad, but I promise you, we're trying to get rid of the gas. That sounds so bad. Oh, you know why? All right, so gas and everything should be out. We'll try and restart it. If it doesn't restart, then we're good to go.
So then they came inside and I saw him. I was like, oh. And I ran to the bathroom. That's the one that had to deal with them.
All right, so remember when I said literally nobody has messed with this car. Literally, straight up, literally, tire rotations, oil changes. Look at this fuel pump area. Look at it. Freaking cobwebs. Looks like it hasn't been open since the 1920s, bro. That's so bad. Let's see what the inside looks like. It was just a few bolts, sensor, and the fuel lines. It smells like fuel everywhere right now, but we're good. I'll show you guys what it looks like when we take it out. It is a little cramped. It is getting dark outside, but we got this. Fuel.
Full tank?
That's a full tank?
Do you have a full tank?
No, I put $10 in. Hit there, be light. I got some Cheez-Its.
I don't want Cheez-Its.
All right, my friends. There's a 1900 fuel pump from 1900s. You can see it's by Denso Subaru. It's not 1900. It's just hasn't been touched in a very long time.
Where we going?
All right, this looks like a freaking hot mess right now.
Because it is.
Because it is?
Let me organize it real quick. You know what I'm saying?
But
wait, so this one first.
There's a lot of pop and tabs and plastic, and so we didn't want to take the risk and record with confidence because we weren't too confident right there. But Trey dropped the fuel filter. I'm just. All right, so new one. You want to record real quick?
No, I'm
You want to open it?
Yeah, because I'm a mechanic. You know what I'm saying?
DW 300C.
Is that D shorts?
Yeah.
You got a D short?
Yeah. What? Bro, don't tell me you didn't know.
I do.
What's that mean? Why are you just kind of excited?
I thought you just got some like
Unknown brand.
It was either DW or AEM, but AEM.
Bro, you know how long I've been wanting D short stuff? Ever since I watched at Jinjian. Bro.
High flow. Yes, sir.
You're a bitch.
Got it, bro.
All right, now, should we read?
Shout out, DW. Let's go. Hey, shout out to Demetrius, too, man. Crazy Subaru WRX. Black, just like mine.
Hey, we should...
Out there in Texas. All right, so here's a fuel pump. Everybody says to read the directions, bro.
Instructions. I don't even know instructions.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
Can you explain? Basically, it's a drop-in filter. There's some hardware right there that we can use. There's also
We're going to use.
I keep saying filter, fuel pump. It's because I was trying to get a fuel filter for most of my life. But so it comes with a fuel filter, some hardware, things like that, extra gaskets, and it's a drop-in pump. As you can see, can we compare the sizes real quick? It's significantly bigger. That one's wider, but that one increases flow, and I assume that's the filter. That it looks pretty caked up, huh? That's
Maybe, yeah.
That's crazy. Oh yeah, the filter was caked, bro. Yeah. Okay, for sure. Alrighty then. So we'll see you guys in the next slide. I'm dropping it in. That doesn't sound very good, does it? Drop it. I thought you cut the wrong piece out. All right. So,
Are you done?
are you done? I'm just kidding. Already finished. Gracias, mi amor. I mean, Trey. Basically, everything goes in how it came out. But it is nighttime. Everybody's stuffy. We're going to get this done quick. And then I'll show you guys probably some test runs tomorrow. I am free tomorrow. So, thank y'all for tuning in. And I pray this keeps my car going, man. I do. But halfway to E85, woo!